for signing. Not only 1 year but 3 years. I don't know how we have managed to do it. I think he's on the same wavelength as a vision what we had set for the club going forward. Hopefully, we can go a long way. He can make a mark in Indian football as well as take the club moving forward. It's a very significant big day for the CFS group as well as backs of Nagaur Sports Club.
First of all, I would like to congratulate him because being a player from his own village and he has joined the village club. We are very much happy and especially me, I'm very much delighted to work with him. Like our boss said, he'll make a mark. He has already done a mark in Indian football. And a player of his caliber joining us means definitely make a lot of difference in that, which we missed last year.
School asthana, a goalkeeper head alo, then Texa head alo under 12, under 14. So that's my goalkeeper alo. Then daddy मुला एक टाइम striker injured झालो. So त्या मुला तू striker head. So त्यातनं त्या striker head पर start केलो तो. So त्यातनं असं मुझे आले. So आता पोरा दिला village club head पर. आणि ड्रीम आधी village club again high league head.